Officials have filed an official charge sheet against Hassan Ali in the Mumbai Sessions Court. Ali has been charged under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, and India's biggest tax evader was arrested by the ED officials in the month of March. Megha, can you run us through the details of the charge sheet that has been filed?
Well, Harshit, for the moment, let me give you a quick ground update. The charge sheet is yet to be officially filed in the courtroom of the principal judge here at the Sessions Court. What is happening for the moment is that it's the charge sheet copy of the original copy of which has been brought to the courtroom, but it has been taken to the designated office of the Enforcement Directorate inside the Sessions Court, where the numbering of the charge sheet is happening for the moment. We are being told that probably in under 10 minutes or maybe maximum under 40 or 45 minutes, it will be brought to the principal judge's room, and it will be then submitted before the judge officially. For the moment, the procedure is on. But yes, as we've been saying all along, this particular charge sheet, though many were expecting that after Hassan Ali was arrested in the month of March and then again has been in ED custody on and off, the Enforcement Directorate would really have something new in terms of investigation that they have done all this while, and probably the charge sheet will have some new evidences. What we are being told now by our sources is that this charge sheet really does not contain any new charges apart from the ones that we've been reporting about all this while. It does not have any further, leads in the investigation, or so to speak, or probably does not have any new evidence that can nail Hassan Ali Khan apart from the ones that have already been floating around. And they say the reason why is that they still have not been able to access any concrete information in terms of Hassan Ali's money that has gone through several transactions in various bank accounts abroad, and that the information from abroad that is being called for at regular intervals through letter rogatories have reached the Enforcement Directorate, and so they are little on the back foot in terms of investigation, the concrete investigation about the real money laundering that has taken place outside India. As far as the Indian leg of the investigation is concerned, there's not much that the Enforcement Directorate really has in its hands for the moment. So the investigation pretty much at the stage from where it had started in February this year.
Right. Thanks for those details, Megha.